Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Void High Lord. This highly sought-after class is renowned for its immense power and versatility in adventure quest worlds. While the journey to obtain it can be extensive, we'll explore an easier, more streamlined approach to farming its components. With careful planning and consistent effort, you can significantly reduce the time needed to add this incredible class to your collection. Let's dive into the essential first steps. To begin your quest, ensure your character is at least level 80, as this unlocks the main Void High Lord challenge. First, complete Galanoth's Dragon Slayer reward quest in /join lair to gain access to the nation. Next, gather 50 bone dust by defeating monsters in /join Battleander B. Crucially, visit Rien's in /join Arkengrove daily to accept and complete the Elder's Blood quest. You can stack up to 20 of these. Your primary farming quest will be supplies to spin the Wheel of Chance from Swindle Bilk or a Drudgeon Pet. For the Relic of Chaos, defeat Ultra Altian, who has a 35% drop rate, or Ashirian, with a 15% chance. Turn in Swindle's return policy with unidentified items and 1 Makai kill for blood gems of the Archfiend. You can find Makai monsters in Tursasuanatlim to farm essences of Nulgeth. To accelerate your progress, challenge Ultra Nulgeth weekly for 5 Nulgeth insignias, which can be merged into 2 Rontgenium of Nulgeth. Always stack your unidentified items and other reagents, turning in quests in bulk to save time. Consistent completion of your daily Elder's Blood quest is vital. Once you have all the necessary Void crystals and 15 Rontgenium, complete the Void High Lord challenge quest 15 times to finally claim your class.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.